Welcome to this week's Outfits of the Week, and this is the second week in June. And yeah, let's get into what I was wearing. So we're starting off on a Saturday. So this is a day out of the studio, just hanging with friends. I thrifted this amazing quilted throw while I was out. It is so beautiful and I was so happy to find it. And here is what I'm wearing. I've got a Carhartt jacket, a Carhartt bum bag, and then the trousers and the top I showed you before that I thrifted recently. I didn't really do a good job of getting a good video of this outfit today, so apologies for that. And then the next day was Sunday, so I was doing a market today. So I'm just showing you what I was wearing. I had my Carhartt dungarees on, which were such a bad idea because they got so dirty on the ground. And then I have this little crochet vest, and my bum bag is hand painted by my friend Kat Hardy, who is a tattoo artist. Yeah, so did my best to try and get some footage of what my outfit looked like, and I thought I would just show you around the market as well. So it was a mix of pre-loved, crafty bits. I picked up this little crocheted bag. I thought it was so cute. And yeah, lots of really gorgeous vintage and pre-loved pieces. I also picked up that lace skirt there that was like €5, and there's a bit of work that needs to be done to it, but it reminded me a lot of like Simone Rocha, and yeah, it was a bargain price, so I had to pick that up. Yeah, so it was a great day and probably one of my favorite ways to spend a weekend. So now it's Monday and I am on my way into the studio. I like to walk in during the summer, listen to podcasts, and yeah, I just think it's a nice way to start my day. Looking back, I actually really like the colours in this outfit. So I have on a skirt that I thrifted I think last year. The denim jacket is from Topshop a few years ago, and it's super cropped and actually really nice and easy to wear in the summer. The top I thrifted not that long ago, and then on my way into the studio I did a little bit of thrifting. So I'm just showing you my outfit again, and I picked up this shirt that I have on. Yeah, I really like this shirt, and I actually wore this a lot over the summer so far, so yeah, it was a great purchase. So moving on to Tuesday, and again I had a little fun with this outfit today. The printed shirt I thrifted on holidays last year, and I wore it loads. I really like the colours in it. And the jumper I have on, I got at the market on Sunday. It's originally from Zara, and I had been trying to find it on Depop for a while. So when I saw it at the market, I had to have it. I really love it, but it's definitely like a little bit scratchy. You know, that kind of scratchy fabric, but I still think it's really cute. So yeah, here is my outfit in full. So as I said, the top, though the knit is from Zara. The printed shirt underneath is vintage, and I thrifted that last year. And then the skirt is from John Rocha's range at Debenhams, and I thrifted that a few years ago too. And then my bag is the Carhartt bag that I wear all the time. Again, just walking into the studio, and I did a little bit of thrifting as well on the way in today. So here's what I was wearing, as you can kind of see the shirt in full. And yeah, it's really cute, and it actually goes really well with the pink of the hat that I have on. Yeah, so here are a few bits that I was looking at. This kind of lettuce hem pink top, which I thought was so cute. and I ended up getting that because I really liked how that looked on. And then I was really tempted to get this skirt, which was by Coach, and I kind of knew when I picked it up, bet you it's a designer, and yeah, it was Coach. And I really wanted to like it because I think I was probably tempted by the brand. Yeah, but when I tried it on, I really didn't like the fit on me and left it behind rather than just buying it just to have it. But I did pick up these trousers, which I think were €3, and I really like them. I like kind of classic suit trousers and that kind of thing, especially in the winter with long coats. And then lastly, I picked up these Adidas bottoms that I thought would be really good for cycling in the winter, and also they're kind of cool, so I got them too. And then lastly, I'm going to show you what I wore on Wednesday. This day I was styling a shoot. I had a bit more of a casual look on for today because I knew I'd be kind of running around on my feet for the shoot, so I had on these jeans that I thrifted a good while ago, and then my shirt is just a thrifted Primark shirt, and my bomber is from my friend's vintage shop, which is called Finders Keepers. And this is just me and my suitcase heading off to the shoot. So this week's outfits of the week is going to end here today because I went away the next day and I was away for the next week. So next week's video will be outfits that I wore kind of abroad, and it'll be a bit more kind of warmer summer outfits, so you'll see that next week. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching, and if you're interested in content about kind of slow and sustainable fashion, it would be great if you could subscribe. I make weekly vlogs about what I'm wearing, and also all about running a small sustainable fashion business. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.